Alright, hello everyone, Arrow here, and today I am going to be going over what I believe to be the correct ranking of all of the Holowear in Pokémon Unite. As you can see, I already have the Unite suits in their own tier, because I'm gonna be honest, they are not that good. But yeah, so first up we have Venusaur, beach style Venusaur. I'm gonna be honest, I think it's okay. Not the best Venusaur costume. So yeah, I'd say honestly mid. And yeah, as besides the Unite suit, Unite style category here, we got Perfection, Great, Enjoyable, Mid, and Dog Water, all of which are self-explanatory. So next up we got Suit Style Venusaur, which honestly definitely is better than, it's an upgrade from Beach Style. Next is Sunshine, which yeah, that one's mid as well. Now the Marine style here though is definitely, I'd say that was great. I enjoy like how it looks there, as does Masquerade style. Tuxedo style and Holiday style. That one it's enjoyable, but then, to be honest, Holiday style is Dog Water, as is like most of the Holiday style ones. It's just like, oh, we got a Santa hat, and that's about it. Anyways, next we got the Blastoise, and yeah, I, of course, took the time to go through and group them all by the Pokemon, because originally this list is just all over the place. Also, it had 3 extras, so yeah, and I had to add a few to like have all up to the current. So next up we have Fashionable Blastoise. He's good. It's enjoyable. Meanwhile, like the flat firefighter one it's okay, mid. In this case, Pokebluki. You know, these ones actually are pretty good, but like Blastoise and this specifically, it's okay. I really enjoy that one. That one's great. What was that? Tuxedo style. That one's pretty good. Santa hat, of course. Dog Water, because it's legit just a Santa hat on there. And we got New Year's Blastoise, which, yeah, I enjoy it. And then, like, I mean, not really though. And then Sacred Style is enjoyable. And then now we got Charizard, everybody's favorite. So first up is Captain Style, which, like, yeah, it's probably the best of the grouping. Like Bonfire is Adept style is like yeah, Knight style it's enjoyable, as is armor style. Ninja doesn't like. I like the outfit, but it just doesn't look good on Charizard. And then like this is Explorer style, but it makes Charizard look like a freaking postman, freaking mailman. So no. Then we got Pikachu. Hip Hop Pikachu. I mean, it's enjoyable, but like it's like okay. First, like not dog water holiday outfit. We got fashionable Pikachu here, which is, I mean, yeah, it works, as does concert Pikachu. But next is Cook, which is, yeah, I enjoy that. It's enjoyable. That one, a band style, not as good. There's Holiday Blue and Tourist. Holiday Blue is enjoyable. Tourist is mid. Then comes Snorlax. And, honestly, this one, martial arts, right? Yes. Martial arts Snorlax. That one's actually pretty good. As is the citrus berry, as is the berry one. That one, beach style, okay. I enjoy the bedtime one. The bedtime one is pretty good. Sunshine. I can see what they were going for, but like, it's not that great. Guardian style though is like that one. I enjoy that one. That one's enjoyable. The Cook one is enjoyable, but these last four are kind of mid, honestly. Then we got Machamp. I'm gonna be honest, okay? Not like have this be like weird or anything, but like Excavation Tuxedo Machamp, that was honestly really good. God, those outfits pair well with Machamp, like really well. This one, that one's good. These last two, I mean, the Pumpkin doesn't really fit Machamp. Well, that one does, but it's not as good as like the other three. Then we got Slowbro. I'm gonna be honest, like the only enjoyable one is Professor Slowbro and Tuxedo Slowbro. Those two are enjoyable. Like the other 4 or 5 are honestly mid. Wigglytuff. I'm gonna be honest here. Here we got, okay, Frontier. That one's good. That one's really good. As is Marine style Wigglytuff. It's also good. Bedtime is enjoyable. Not as good as Snorlax's bedtime. Still pretty good. And then the rest are not as good. Actually, not that one is. That one's not. That one's dog water. Actually, the rest are. Yeah. And Gengar. Okay, so Spacesuit Gengar and Masked Gengar. Those are good ones. But let's see here. As I've said, most of the holiday ones, dog water. The beach one is funny. That one's great. That's a great one. As is the tuxedo. As is tuxedo. The other three being kind of mid, honestly. Mr. Mime. Honestly, holiday one, dog water. Guardian one, that one's great, as is the magician one. And then these other two are kind of mid, if I'm gonna be honest. Now, Alolan Ninetales. Alolan Ninetales has got a few good ones. First up, Theater Style Blue. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Like, original Theater Style it's good, but the blue variation that they got is way better. Let's see. The Sacred Style one is also a great one. Tea Party is enjoyable. Holiday is actually enjoyable. And then the other two, I'm gonna be honest, are kind of mid. Dragonite. Ooh, Boxer Dragonite is a great one. And then the holiday one, dog water, are like most of them. And then, I'm gonna be honest, the marine one is enjoyable. And then, like, what are the other things here? What are the other ones there? So, Warm Style. Warm Style makes it look like it's got an afro, and that's like, it really what kind of, it doesn't look quite good on Dragonite, as are these other two. Mew. Whoever did Mew, like, they did good for Mew. Because Mew looks adorable in all of these, and like, they're all great. Except for the blue one here. Yeah. Fashionable Style Mew. Fashionable Style Mew. That one is good. Like, that one's great. But again, like, the blue variant is better. Like, it is so adorable. Lapras. This one is mid, while that one's enjoyable. Blissey. Blissey doesn't really have any good ones. Like, yeah. So it's like kind of hard to have a good outfit for Blissey due to like egg shape it is, and like doesn't really none of them really look super good all honestly mid. They kind of dropped the ball with Blissey. And then Clefable. The only Clefable outfit that isn't a Unite suit. And they did pretty good. Yeah, that's a great one. I'd say Mewtwo. This one Mewtwo? The Pokebuki one? That one's good. The martial arts one is enjoyable. It just... I don't know, there's just something about it that makes Mewtwo look like... I don't know. There's like something about it just like... I can't really put my finger on it. But like... It just doesn't feel quite kid friendly, if that makes sense. If you get what I mean. Cause like, yeah, but Dark Lord, holy cow, did they go hard with this one? That is it. That is amazing. It is. Plus the little trailer, like the little video they have whenever you select that one, amazing. Garchomp. First things first. Stake out Garchomp. Perfection. It's perfect. Meanwhile, the holiday one is dog water, as is how it is with most of them. But then, let's see, the Wanderer style. Wanderer style, that one's enjoyable. That one, like, the Masquerade one is also enjoyable. But, like, the rest... Those, like the martial arts and the beach one, do martial arts and the beach one, the mid, and then Tuxedo, right? Yeah, Tuxedo. I mean, it's enjoyable. But yeah, Greninja. This one, that one's great, because like. It is perfect for Greninja. It is perfect. And then like this superhero one that they got out. What was it called? The hero style Greninja. They also did that one is also great. But then like the other ones here, I mean they're okay, but like I'd say they're enjoyable at best. Talonflame. Gonna be honest. Like Blissey, they kind of dropped the ball with Talonflame. Like, the pilot one. Honestly, the pilot one is dog water. I'm gonna be honest. Pilot Talonflame is dog water. Actually, as is Bonfire Talonflame. Just doesn't work well. Cinderace. Bro, despite Cinderace being okay, like an okay Pokemon design, the pirate, that goes hard. Pirate, like Captain Pirate Cinderace, is good. As is the superhero. Well, superhero one. It's not quite as good, but still, it's great. And then Tuxedo one is enjoyable, as is the one in the jacket here, which, yeah, Space Cinderace and the Tuxedo Cinderace. Those ones are enjoyable. Meanwhile, these other two are mid. Gardevoir. I'm gonna be honest, the only good one of Gardevoir is that one there, the Aurora style. Aurora style that one's great, but the rest are. Well, Cafe one is enjoyable. The rest, as is actually that the New Year's, right? Stage style, and then the rest are, yeah. Actually, no, that one's actually bad. That one's dog water. Absol. Yeah, they got some good ones for Absol. They got a few good ones. Like, this one, Dark Suit, I believe. Yep, Dark Suit, yeah. Dark Suit. That one's great, as is the Pokebuke one. Pokebuke one. Yeah. And then this one here, the fashionable one. Specifically the original fashionable one. That one's enjoyable. And actually both versions are. But the rest are kind of mid. As you can see, like, they're not all of them are good. Eldegoss. There's only so much you can do with Eldegoss. The best one being Marine Captain one. With the rest, like, no, those don't. Like, and then Lucario. Okay, Lucario. Okay, this one, that one, what do you call them? The Costume Party one is good, as is the Concert and a Mystic. Like, they did good with Lucario. Like, yeah. And that's not me going like, oh yeah, it's because it's Lucario. Lucario is always awesome now. I'm not one of those Lucario fanboys. No. It's just those four go hard. They go good. They are good. Especially like the Costume Party one with the reference to Riley is amazing. With the others, the spacesuit and the Wanderer. Actually, yeah, all the rest of them, except for martial arts. That one's actually great, as is the Egyptian one. And then Wanderer is enjoyable, and then martial arts is mid. Sylveon. Okay. Let's get Sylveon. Fashionable Sylveon. That's a great one. And then really, checkered one is enjoyable, with the rest being mid. Mr. Mid, to be honest. Espeon. I enjoy the what is it called? The performer style. I really like the performer style. Well, that's a great one. With the rest honestly being mid. And then Umbreon. That one, yeah. Glaceon. Yeah, the graceful style one. That one's enjoyable. But like, as is the Tea Party one. The rest, no, not really. Leafeon. Okay, so the checkered Leafeon, that's a good one. Yes, that is a good one. But then Wanderer Leafeon. Holy cow, the Wanderer Leafeon is so good. Like, they just added it yesterday. Like, literally yesterday, they added this to the game. And it is, like it's specifically going there because that's like one of the best costumes. This tier list is objectively correct as per video title. So yes, that is one of the best in the game. Zeraora. Let's be honest. Zeraora? The Power Plant one, and the Frontier one. Those are great ones. Those ones are great. But the other four, mid. Actually, no, that one's enjoyable. The others are just mid. Crustal. I like the big hat on this one. That one's enjoyable, but like, oh, and the Colosseum one. But like the other two are mid. The holiday one is better than most holiday ones. But then we got the Decidueye. Tuxedo Decidueye. It's enjoyable. As is the Ninja one. Actually, yeah, the Starry Night one, or the Starry one, that one's great, specifically the blue version, blue variant, that one's okay. The red cedar style is better than the white one. There, yeah. Greedent. They're all mid. Like, Greedent in general, just, all of Greedent's ones don't look good. Cramorant. The Tuxedo Cramorant, the Western Cramorant. They're enjoyable, but the other two are not. Mamoswine. Well, first off, that one's dog water. But, enjoy the Tuxedo one. That one's enjoyable, as is the Night one. And the Hip Hop one, I believe. Right? Yeah, Hip Hop Mamoswine is also enjoyable. But then there's the last one here, that's no. And then Trevenant. Revenant is pretty good. Let's see, what is it? What is it over there? The train. Yeah, the subway style. Yeah, the subway style. That was a great one, as is the rock and roll one. With the Ranger one being enjoyable and the other two actually, yeah, the other two are mid. Serena. Right off the bat, the Captain and Frontier styles, those ones are great. Nope, not enjoyable, great. Yep. But the other three being kind of mid, honestly. Hoopa actually isn't too bad. I'd say the best one of them though has to be special styles, blue special style. That one's great. Captain one is enjoyable, as is the costume party one. And then and the hip hop one actually. Yeah, those four are with that one being mid. Yeah. Aegislash. Beach. Aegislash. No. But these other two. Yes. These two are. What the fuck? Alright, yeah. These two are good. Those two are great. Yeah. They're great. Azumarill. I'm gonna be honest. Pastel Azumarill, dog water. As is Wanderer. The Punk is enjoyable, and the Christmas one is also enjoyable. Yeah. Delphox. I mean, like, they're enjoyable. All three are enjoyable. Buzzwole. What is that? Dark Hero? Right? I believe that's what it's called. Yeah, Dark Hero Buzzwole. Goes crazy. That one is good. As is Tuxedo Buzzwole. That one's great, but not as good as Dark Hero. Then we got Tyranitar here. I mean, the Tyranitar ones, like the first two are enjoyable, but then that third one, it looks a bit odd. Zorwar. The Ghost one, that one's great. The Dancer one, that one's perfect. It's amazing. With these other two being enjoyable. And then they really didn't do well with Dodrio. Dodrio's costume Holowears are they're dog water. I'm gonna be honest. Now some good Holowears though is what is it called? Dark Sea? Yeah. the dark suits, both dark suits for Duraludon. Those ones are great. As the other four, I mean the other three, I mean that one's enjoyable, as is that one, but Bonfire is mid. Urshifu, that one is dog water, and this one is enjoyable at best. Pirate Zacian, that one's perfect. That one's perfect. And Tuxedo, right? Oh, special style. That one is enjoyable. Now, Sableye, legit, this Jester one here was the whole reason I had this idea. Was the whole reason I had this video idea. And so, of course, that one was perfect. Beautiful, done with Noble One. There, the Noble one. That one's great. Green Noble, that one doesn't look as good. The Dark Magician is enjoyable. Gudra, that one mid or dog one, I mean, and that one's enjoyable. Scizor, bro. Whoever that do Scizor's costumes, they did an amazing job. Cause I'm gonna be honest, all of Scizor's costumes are good. They all of them are perfect. Like the Night Ranger and Rider, holy cow, those ones are good. Those ones are perfect. Comfey, it doesn't really work. None of them. Though, I mean, that one is the best of the bunch, but no, I'm sorry. Sorry, Comfey fans, but yeah, no, they did Comfey dirty. Those do not look good. Dark Magician, Dragapult, though, that's a great one. Little Scientist is enjoyable. Phantom Thief Inteleon is enjoyable, honestly, as is Marching Band 1. Meowscarada, Dancer, Meowscarada. I can't deny it. It's a perfect costume. It is a perfect Holowear. But now I'm just worried about what that might say. Let's not delve any deeper into that. Phantom Thief, Meowscarada is enjoyable. Punk, Blaziken. That's a great one. That one is great. And then Mimikyu. The Mimikyu one's enjoyable, as is Gyarados. And the Phantom Thief Metagross is also enjoyable. Then Tuxedo Miraidon. Yeah, Tuxedo Miraidon that's a great one. Yeah. And then for some reason they have 3 extras there. Those 3. They had extras in those 3 there, which, weird. But this is the objectively correct Pokemon Unite Holowear tier list, with these ones being like the best in the entire game. These ones are the best in the entire game. These ones are pretty good. Like those ones are pretty good. Not as good as the perfect ones, of course, but still good. Like these ones are enjoyable. Enjoyable, of course. All of these. Yeah, they're good. These ones, all the ones here, they are. I mean, they're okay. But definitely, if you have them, like that's the only one you got, yeah, it's okay to use it. And then these ones here, don't use these. Do not use these. These are not good. And then these ones are just plain boring. The Unite suits are just boring. Just plain flat out boring. And so that is it for this video. And so with that, I will see you in the next video.